As far as the meaning of the words alif, lam, mim, etc. is concerned, these words are known as mutakkakat. They are known as broken letters. And they occur in several surahs of the Quran. Sometimes they occur in single, like Sa'd in Surah Sa'd, chapter 38, as Qaf, Surah Qaf, chapter 50, as Noon in Surah Qalam, chapter 68. Sometimes it occurs in twos, in pairs, like Taha, Surah Taha, chapter number 20, Tasin in Surah Namal, chapter 27, as Yasin, Surah Yasin, chapter 36. Sometimes it occurs in combination of three. And the three combinations mentioned in the Quran, one occurs 6 times, 5 times, the other twice. It's 30 times that occurs in combination of three. One combination is alif, lam, mim. It's there in Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, Surah Imran, chapter number 3, and Surah number 29, 30, 31, 32. It occurs in the combination of alif, lam, ra, from Surah Yunus, chapter number 10, to Surah Hijr, chapter number 15. 5 times. It even occurs as Tasin, mim, in Surah Shura, chapter number 26, as well as Surah number 28. It occurs in the combination of 4 letters, alif, lam, mim, ra, and other combinations. It even occurs twice in combination of 5. So in short, there are 5 combinations: single, double, 3-letter, 4-letter, 5-letter. Totally, there are 29 times that occurs in the Quran, equal to the Arabic letters, alif, ba, ta, 29 times, counting even Hamza. There are various reasons that people have said why do these broken letters occur. Several reasons, and many books have been written, volumes have been written. Some say these are the symbols of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Some say the abbreviation like Noon is for Nur, that is light. Some say they are signatures of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Some say they are used for rhyming. Some say they have got numerical values. Some say they have been used for calling the attention, attracting the attention of the Prophet, and Prophet used it for the other human beings. Various reasons. But the best amongst them, I feel, is the view which is also of Hazrat Abu Bakr, may Allah be pleased with him. For example, we know what the body is made up of. Whatever components the body has, the same elements and components are present in the earth in lesser or greater quantity. We know